welcome back to the channel. It's a girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey, hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl Aneke here to need budgets, and on here we do cash and budget and pay off for that and mind our business, not necessarily in them for orders. So if that's something that you're interested in, child, subscribe, turn your notification bell, like the video, and leave your comments down below. But as you guys can see, we're doing a paycheck number 3 closeout. So baby, no shade, no tea. Where's my money? Show me what's gonna be, because I like to see all of that. Because I ain't got no sense. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I bought this wallet here in Korea. So I have basically like updated my stuff. I have my cards in here, my ID for the military, because if you don't know, I'm in the military. This is another military ID, and some other IDs in here, and then my credit and debit card. And then I have wands in here because I went out shopping this weekend. So I will tell y'all about that in tomorrow's video, because that's the expense video. And then this is the traveling card for the bus. So I'm just gonna keep that in here because I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna use it again. But yeah, guys, so I have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18,000 wands, which is basically like $14, something like that. So this is that. But yeah, so what you came here for. So let's zoom in and let's talk about the closeout of what exactly did we do with our money. Did we put it where it's supposed to go? Like, what exactly happened? You feel me? So hold on. You see, yeah, that I'm doing it. What's the hold up, y'all? Because Nikki is Nikki, and you feel me? Oh shoot, girl, I was like, okay, y'all, so now that we've zoomed in, let's talk about the budget and what we did with the money. So for salary, I said I was getting $1,439.51, and that is exactly what I got. So that did not change. We did not get no extra money or anything like that. So that is really excited, child. Shout out to the Lord. But yeah, so that happened. And then that was my income, and then we moved down to expenses. Now I did say I'm putting $404.60 to my credit card because that was what was left on it. So yes, your girl still is, and she did. I did put that $404, child. I had to check to see if I did, baby. When the withdrawal or the payment moved, I said, wait a minute, okay? The way my bank account went doo-doo, I said, we don't like that. But it happened, had to happen. $100 for my dad in Jamaica, which is Merrick, and then I did pay my my Apple Care. I was gonna say HOA, child. What the heck? My Apple Care, I did pay that. I paid it early, and I did pay my Apple one early. So 18 I did pay those early. So that is what that is. Now I did budget for water to be $50, but I actually called the water company, and they was like, oh, your final bill is gonna be $55.06. So I was like, oh, I gotta put money over here. But what I'm planning to do, y'all, is I have rewards points from my credit card. So instead of using my budget, my $1439.51 to pay for that, I'm gonna take the $5.06 difference that I need for my water to make it $55.06. I'm gonna take it from there and keep this at $50. So this is gonna stay at $50.00. We're not gonna put more in there. So overall, my expenses stayed the same at $580.79, which we love to see. It's cute, it's great, we love it over here. So that means that nothing changed in my remaining funds, which is $858.72. Okay, so now moving down to cash envelopes. So groceries I did keep at $150, and baby, I think I started like spending before. I did spend gas of $5, so $5.00. Household, I did also put $20 in, which I'm questioning if I need anything for my household in this moment, because I don't think I really do. So there's that. Allowance, I did give myself $20, which, guys, surprisingly, I have $2.50 left. I said, oh, me have $2.50 left. I was checking the bank account and the books and everything. I said, girl, ooh. So yeah, toiletries did get $20, and then hair care did get $20. So everybody got their money, and then Tides got $144. So everybody got their money, which, y'all, I found out that I can put Tides in church here. So, you know, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put that money, the Tides that I have, in church here. So that would bring my cash envelopes total up to $379 for cash envelopes, which is great, and that equals to what I had before. So that is $479.72. So yeah, I made a little mistake there, but it's the same, no change. So now, right, emergency fund, I did put that $29.72. I didn't take that out of the bank account. I left it as is, so $29.72. My birthday was $50. Travel, I did put $15, and y'all just heard me say that I went out, so no, I spent out of gas. That's what I spent out of. I spent some money out of gas for that ticket that I showed you guys earlier. I spent some money out of gas to get it, so that is where that is coming from. But travel has a $15 deposited. Clothing is $15. Family birthday is $3. Home maintenance is $4. Mortgage was $3, and home maintenance was $5, and car insurance was $5. Yeah, so that came up to $129.72, because I don't want to take out the cents out of the bank account. So I usually just put that with emergency fund, because I have an emergency fund account, and I can just transfer. We do, and we good. You feel me? So yeah, so that's that. And then saving challenges did get that 200. Okay, and we did do investing of 150. So honestly, everybody went where they needed to go, and we love to see it, because baby, okay, do it. We love to see that everybody goes where they're supposed to go, so we really like that. So that meant that this was $0.00 here, so no additional debt. Nope. And so yeah, when you come down to my categories, my income source was $1,439.51. I spent $580.79 on expenses, $379 on cash envelopes, $129.72 on sinking funds. Additional savings is $350. And then nothing to debt, which leaves us with nothing. So this is really, y'all, I'm so like grateful. But this is really what I want all my budgets to be, where it's just like, hey, what I said, I said what I said, and I did what I said, and just be done with it, you know? So yeah, I'm really proud of this, so shout out to me. But I am gonna do the expenses, and then y'all can see the real tea, child, because this is a breakdown of where we put the money, but where we spent the money, or what we were spending, y'all gonna see the tea for that. But it's cool, it's great, it's fine, right? So yeah, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, these are not the most exciting video, the closeout ones, but they are the most necessary ones, because one, you see where you put your money, as well as the expense tracking ones, because you also see what you spent your money on the expense tracking videos and the paycheck. So you know, this, let me go back, because let me go, yeah, so the expense tracking one isn't the cutest, you know, it's not the cutest, not the most fun one to do, but it's one of the it's the most necessary one to do, because you have to see where you're spending your money. That's how we really figure out how to make our budget and what we're doing and what will help. And then we have the paycheck budget one, which, yeah, you know. So yeah, if you guys like the video, put your 2 cents down in the comments box below. Like the video, leave a comment, subscribe. I did post a video yesterday. Girl, what did you post yesterday? Y'all, the way how I've been, y'all, the consistency is consistency. Today's the 22nd day that I've posted in a row for Vlogmas without missing a day. Except for that one day, girl, you know, I posted consistency, which you almost missed, but did not. And so yesterday I posted, oh, savings bingo. Child, let me tell you something. Savings bingo be spicy. Okay, be spicy. So we are doing it individually for Vlogmas, but in the new year we're gonna be doing it with our cast stuffing. Oh, it's gonna eat. So too much air at once. But we are going to be doing savings bingo, cash stuffing, and all of those all in one video, which I'm so excited for. And so yeah, go ahead and check it out. It's on the screen right now, so you guys can click on it. But my name is Aneke. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Okay, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.